Alrighty guys, this is the most expensive tune-up I've ever done, guys. Yes, I finally got the engine and the transmission and assembly out. Look at all this, what a mess. Yes guys, that was the only way to get to cylinder 1. I had a misfire in cylinder 1. As you can see, I got the plug out. The plug don't look good at all. In fact, it's cracked. But while I got the engine out, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and replace all 6 coils as well as all 6 spark plugs. Okay, so that should hold them for a while. All right, now this tune-up due every 60,000 miles. So when you get ready to do one, just drop your engine and your transmission complete as assembly. I recommend you do them both. I wouldn't try to just drop the engine alone. I would drop both of them at the same time because you have a crate and it will come out easier. Okay, yeah, but because of this cowl right here, it's hard to get to cylinder 1, 3, and 5. So you have to drop the whole complete engine. All right, let me get this tune-up done, guys, and get this engine put back in. That's all she wrote. All right, I gotta go. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend.